Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Today my video is how to make fried shrimp. This is easy and fast. So before I start, please don't forget like, and share, and support my channel. Please subscribe. So let's go. Okay, let's start the cooking. This shrimp is tiger. I clean already and then I cut in center and then beside the cut must be clean before cooking. And then make it egg and flour. This is easy and very simple. I make it fried in 5 minutes or 6 minutes. It's okay. Not so long time because it's burned. Now you see that? Not so curved. Finish. It's time to prepare your lunch or dinner or breakfast. That is very simple. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and share. Additional with gravy. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Woo. Yum, yum, yum again. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm Louie. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and share. For more details, click subscribe. Babu.